The skies have become a new battlefront. With threats ranging from small commercial to large military drones, maintaining a clear and safe sky requires a comprehensive solution that can accurately detect, identify, and neutralize these threats, while minimizing interference and collateral damage. Rafael introduces Drone Dome, a combat-proven end-to-end solution for securing the airspace against a wide range of hostile drones and UAVs. Drone Dome provides 360-degree coverage in all weather conditions and can be deployed in stationary, mobile, and fast deployment configurations on land as well as at sea. Drone Dome integrates all the capabilities in a single end-to-end solution. By combining its radar and multi-sensor systems, Drone Dome can detect multiple threats from a long distance in all weather conditions. Using its advanced DTOA technology, electro-optical sensor locks in on the detected target, while tracking it using video motion detection. Using machine learning technology and a comprehensive library of drone patterns, the system can assist in the classification of the object. Drone Dome offers a variety of threat mitigation options. It can block the drone's communication and GPS channels using reactive jamming technology, or intercept the drone using a high-power laser beam that can accurately disable specific drone components while ensuring safety. At the heart of the Drone Dome is its command and control module. Operated by a single operator, the system correlates real-time data from multiple distributed sensors, providing complete situational awareness on a map. Its open architecture enables seamless integration with multiple effectors, sensors, and systems. With dozens of deployments around the world, Drone Dome offers combat-proven experience, defending military, HLS, and civil sites against hostile drones and UAVs. Rafael Drone Dome, securing the airspace against hostile drones and UAVs.